Hey everyone, Mr. Sujano here. Welcome to the Fightstick Awards of 2019. There are a total of 10 categories for awards today, and those categories are low budget fight sticks, medium budget fight sticks, premium budget fight sticks, the best custom fight stick manufacturer, the most innovative fight stick, the best looking fight stick, the most portable fight stick, the best fight stick parts manufacturer, the best fight stick supplier site, and lastly, the best overall fight stick. So let's kick things off with the first award of the night, and that is for the low budget, inexpensive, entry-level fight stick. The criteria of this award is for a fight stick priced under $100. And the award goes to the Quamba drone, coming in at $50. It's a great little fight stick, fully upgradable if you want to. It's very transportable, very well built, and on top of that, it's compatible with the PC, PS3, and PS4 straight out of the box. The next award is for medium-priced fight sticks. These are fight sticks priced up to $150. They're full-size fight sticks, but aren't going to break the bank. And the award goes to the Hori Real Arcade Pro 4 Kai, also known as the Rap 4 Kai, for the PlayStation 4, PlayStation 3, and PC. They also make a version for the Nintendo Switch. This is a full-size fight stick available for a very good price. It's available in other colors as well, for example blue, red, and white, on top of the standard black. It contains Hayabusa buttons and a Hayabusa lever, which are Hori's own proprietary parts, but they're very, very good. A lot of people like the Hayabusa lever, a lot of people like the Hayabusa buttons. For what you get at this price, this is a very, very good mid-range fight stick. Now it's time for the award for the best premium fight stick. This is for a fight stick where price isn't really a question. It's for fight sticks that are priced $150 and more. And the award goes to Jason's Customs Panzer Fight Stick 3i. The Ultimate Panzer Fight Stick 3i kit is listed at $408.25. While yes, this is a custom stick, it's also completely customizable and you can order a build-out service, so they build it out to your specifications and send it to you. You can customize this to your heart's content, choosing different ball tops, different buttons, different overlays, different colors of the overall fight stick if you want. On top of that, it's also compatible, since it's using a Brook board, with almost every system that you can think of: the Xbox, the Nintendo Switch, PS4, PS3, PC, the Neo Geo Mini, you name it, it's probably compatible. It also features a Brook retro board, so you can hook it up to things like the Super Nintendo or Sega Genesis. If you had an unlimited budget, this is where you want to go. The next award is an individual award, and it is for the best custom fight stick. So this is for the best custom fight stick that I have seen this year. And the winner is Lord Joseph Dong for his Guitar Hero fight stick. This thing was the talk of Evo. Everybody wanted to see the guy playing on a Guitar Hero fight stick. It's very interesting, it's very creative. It took a team of people to create this to make it fully functional. It features a Sanwa JLF lever instead of the normal guitar strummer. This is incredible. It's very creative, and he actually did really well with this, surprisingly. So congratulations, Lord Joseph Dong, for the win. Next up, we have the award for innovation, best innovation for fight sticks in 2019. And the award goes to Hitbox for their cross-up. Hitbox changed the game a while back with the initial Hitbox, the stickless arcade stick, which has since exploded in popularity. And this year, Hitbox has pushed the envelope even further by releasing the cross-up. The cross-up is an ultimate hybrid between a fight stick and a hitbox. It features a joystick as well as buttons for directional movement. It narrows the gap between a controller, which has two forms of directional movements, the D-pad and the joystick, and a fight stick or hitbox, which just have one form, which is just either the directions on the hitbox or the joystick on the fight stick. So this is a beautiful hybrid and levels the playing field, and also pushes the player, I would say, in terms of what they can now achieve. With the cross-up and with these options, players now have different and maybe even new ways of doing things. Congratulations, Hitbox, on the award. The next award is entirely subjective, but it is awarded to the fight stick with the best overall look. The award for best looks out of the box goes to the Victrix Pro FS Fight Stick. This is a very, very nice looking fight stick, a very classy looking fight stick. Out of the box, this stick looks incredibly clean. I love the minimalistic look. I think it looks smart and classy. I like the metal with the purple accents. On top of that, you can also customize this with laser engraving, laser etching. So this looks really, really good. This one, for example, has Ryu. There's also Justin Wong's, which he went completely crazy with the etching, but it looks really good. It looks clean, even when it's covered in etching. Flipping this fight stick over underneath, it looks really nice. There are two handles here, the bottom opens up, and on top of that, the cable management here is great. This thing looks very, very clean. The next award is for portability. Which fight stick is easiest to transport? Whether you're going to a friend's house or a tournament, on a plane, on a train, in a car, on a boat, it doesn't matter. This fight stick is the easiest to travel with. And the winner is the Street Fighter 2 Mini Fight Stick from New Wave Toys. So this is a fully functional USB powered fight stick for only $15. It fits in the palm of your hand, it can fit in your pocket, it can pretty much fit wherever you want it to. It's incredibly hard to beat in terms of portability, so congratulations New Wave Toys. This next award goes to the best fight stick parts manufacturer. Now this can be anything from joysticks to buttons to cables to PCBs to adapters. You name it, if it fits on a fight stick, then it's definitely fitting in this category. And the award goes to Brook. Brook is really well known for making converters and PCBs. For example, if you wanted to connect a PS4 fight stick to a PlayStation 2, there is an actual converter for that. They have converters to make a PS4 stick compatible with an Xbox 360 or an Xbox One or the Nintendo Switch or the Neo Geo Mini or the Mega Drive or PC Engine. You name it, there's probably a converter for that. And just recently they released the wireless fighting board, which will make your fight stick wireless and compatible with the PlayStation 3, PlayStation 4, Nintendo Switch, and PC. So congratulations, Brook. This next award goes to the best fight stick supply site, where you go to pick up buttons or joysticks or cabling or PCBs, really anything in regards to fight sticks. And the winner is Focus Attack. This is a very good website. It's well laid out, it's easy to navigate, it's got a wide variety of items, it's competitively priced, and on top of that, it's one of my go-to places when I need fight stick parts. I've never had an issue here. So congratulations, Focus Attack. And now for the biggest category of the night. This is for the best overall fight stick of 2019. And the winner is the Hori Fighting Edge. This is a really, really good fight stick. It's priced well, it's built well, it's comfortable, it's fully moddable. If you wanted to change out the buttons or the joystick, you can. In my opinion, this fight stick looks really, really nice and clean. On top of that, it's compatible with the PlayStation 4 and PC. If I could only choose one fight stick to use from here on out, it would be the Hori Fighting Edge. So congratulations, Hori, on Fight Stick of the Year 2019. Anyways, that's all I've got for today. So if you liked the video, leave a like. If you didn't like the video, leave a like. Hit that subscribe button, check out my other videos. Let me know what you think about the winners of the awards in the comments below. Thank you, everyone. Take care.